You can never have too many carriages, and I've managed to pick up a couple more Mark 1 Bachmann coaches from eBay. No one else bid on them for some strange reason. And this time I got 1 maroon and 2 blue-grey carriages. All the carriages are Midland region stock. First one is a composite brake, running number M21236. Nice guards compartment with good detail on the roof. Always thought that the ribs to represent the roof joins were rather strong on these carriages, on these mouldings. I know when I've tried to make things myself, you always have to overemphasise certain aspects, otherwise they don't show up. Next up is a first class corridor, running number M13085. Yet again in mint condition for a pre-owned eBay buy. All the linings still crisp. I always like the corridor side with the third door in the centre. Just looks right. And all the buffers still present. Nothing broken off. Finally, a maroon full brake, because you always need full brakes. This one is M80950, and this one has been lightly weathered, but I will weather all 3 coaches and fit people inside them eventually. Right, a nice selection of carriages which will hopefully help me run my mixed liveried trains. Let's take them all to the layout and have a bit of a play. Thanks for watching. Please comment, like, share and subscribe. Thanks for now. Bye.